I'm back in my favorite Caribbean store to buy bun and cheese this time. Satai,
Hello.
you look for bun and cheese with me? Alright, let's get some plantain. Even though I came to get bun and cheese. Huh?
Is it dragon fruit this place?
Dragon fruit?
Yeah,
I don't know. What happened? Had dragon fruit? I never eat dragon fruit. So they have the cheese already sliced. See, like, this is what, $9 for this piece. They have some smaller pieces for like $8. These are freshly packed. So let me see if I'll get these, or yeah, maybe I'll get a piece of this. I didn't really come to buy a lot of stuff, but I guess I'll pick up some fruits for the kids. These are like so big. I don't know, I get them. Satai. There's a whole lot of bun and cheese. Let me see, this one is what? Mother's Bakery? Oh, I never had that before. Miss Birdie. HTB. Rolling crust. This one is like $17. Oh, wow. What do you want? Nesbury? Are these even... Oh, whoa.
what is Nesbury?
It's like a Jamaican fruit.
Yes.
Never seen it. Well, I saw it here once before, yeah. Oh,
What's
they're
inside
not
of it?
ripe. Just like a mango. I have to try to describe the taste for you.
Ooh.
I know which bun we're gonna get. $15. All right, so these are what? Fresh Daily. This one is soft and nice. We gotta get this. What is that you get in Satai? All right, that was a quick run to my favorite little Jamaican spot. Well, Caribbean spot for my Jamaican bun and cheese. Satai just asked me, why is it important that you eat bun and cheese?
No,
Bun
why?
and cheese and fish
No,
in
why?
Easter. Why is that a thing?
No, I said, why do Jamaican people eat bun and cheese?
Why what?
But I said, why do Jamaican people eat bun and cheese and fish for Easter?
And what did you discover? Because I didn't have a good answer for you. I just told you that it's tradition that we eat bun and cheese. And that's all I know. We just eat bun and cheese and fish in Easter. And what did you figure it out? It's just a tradition, right? British Jamaican tradition. Guys, my pick this year is Fresh Daily Bun because it's the perfect level of moisture and a balance of sweet for me. They also have multiple sizes if you don't want to buy or can't afford to buy the biggest one. Growing up in Jamaica, Easter wasn't complete without a piece of bun and cheese. That perfect balance of sweet, spiced bun paired with thick slices of cheese. It's a whole vibe, not just a snack. Have fun this Easter with a slice of bun and cheese. Share with your family and friends. Thanks for shopping with me as I hunt down the freshest bun and cheese because, as you guys know, not all buns are created equally. Bye-bye for now.